taking the Aventon LEVEL. Okay. Let's check it out. This is 750 watt?
Yeah.
750 watt. It's got front brake. It's got front suspension. We'll check it out in a second. Okay. 750 watt Aventon LEVEL. And it's definitely got some power already. I already feel the power. Right off the get-go, it's got some power. Definitely a street cruiser. It's got hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension, 750 watt, and the integrated battery like the Adventure, which I'm a big fan of. And it's got some nice acceleration on throttle only. I mean, really nice acceleration. And let's do pedal assist. So pedal assist 1 gives you a little something, not much. It's got 8 gears, 5 pedal assist levels. So pedal assist 1 just gives you a little something, not much. Pedal assist 2, you definitely feel it pulling you. It kind of lurches you forward. So that's a nice change. Pedal assist 3, yeah, you got some nice power with pedal assist 3. Pedal assist 4, holy shit. Pedal assist 4 really takes off. Look at that shit over there, what they got going on. It's like some Indian wedding or something. Anyway, yeah, pedal assist 5, like, it's got some nice power. This is a really good 750 watt motor, you can tell. And the throttle too. It's got some good power, some good top end, you know. It stops at 20, but I guarantee there's a way you can unlock it somehow. So this is the Aventon LEVEL. Okay. I like it. I like it. I don't know what that guy's got. He's got this Solterra. I think, oh my god, I've never even ridden a bike before. Or what?
Yeah.
So we're throttling it, people. Good front shocks. These bikes are just nice. You know, they have good quality components. They're dialed in. They're really sturdy and durable. They have good turning radiuses, and they just feel stable, you know? This guy in front of me, I feel like he's gonna fall any minute. I'm afraid to pass him. And they got like a freaking full-on wedding going on over there. Look at this shit. You guys see this? Huh. All right. We gotta pass this guy. He's killing me. Killing me. Going the wrong way, people. I gotta do it. I gotta pass people. I don't have time for this shit. Let's take a quick look at this thing. Okay. Okay, let's see what it's got. It's got looks like 180 millimeter rotors. Could be 160. It's hard to tell. It's 750 watt motor. They must brand it themselves because it's hard to tell what it's called. It's got Sunrace M40 derailleur, and then Sunrace, and then Bengal Aries brakes. There's high-end components, though. I'm telling you, it's just very high-end components. You can feel it. It feels like it. It's very durable, well designed. I love their bikes. Big fan of their bikes. Just everything is just like nice. Even the welds are freaking nice. You know what I mean? So this bike compares to a Rad Rover, a Hemingway Cruiser, etc. And it's I can tell you it's got more power than those bikes I just mentioned, including the Rad Rover 6 Plus. This has more power. And oh boy, Jesus. So yeah, pretty cool. Put a suspension seat post on this thing and you're rocking all day long. You're living large. Or you just ride on the street or the Sunday stroll on the path and you don't even freaking need it. You know what I mean? You don't need the freaking suspension. So there you have it.